Hello students, once again welcome to all of you. In this lecture, we will see the topic network topology, lecture number 4. So let's begin network topology. Network topology. In computer networking, topology refers to the layout of connected devices. A network topology is the physical layout of computer, cable, and other components on a network. Network topology is the study of the arrangement or mapping of the elements, that is link, node, etc. of a network interconnection between the nodes. The different types of network layout are bus topology, star topology, mesh topology, ring topology, and tree topology. So, network topology is the pattern used to arrange the nodes or station of a network. Nodes or station means the computers. Okay. So, it also defines the path which is used by pair of station for communication in a network. In simply, network topology is the structure or layout of a computer network. Next is bus topology. In bus topology, all devices are connected to a central cable called the bus or backbone. Bus networks are relatively inexpensive and easy to install for small networks. A bus topology consists of a main run-off cable with a terminator at each end. All nodes like workstation, printers, laptop, server, etc. are connected to a linear cable. So this is a structure of bus topology. Here all computers are connected with each other using a bus cable or backbone, and each end of the cable is a computer terminal. Okay, so it is the simplest physical network. In this topology, all the computers including server are connected by single cable with the help of interface connector. The cable is known as bus and act as a backbone of a network which join every computer and peripheral in the network. Okay. Next topology is star topology. In star topology, all devices are connected to a central hub or switch. Star networks are relatively easy to install and manage, but bottleneck can occur because all data must pass through the hub or switch. This is a structure of star topology. Here, central device, that is a hub or switch, all computers are connected to a central hub or switch. So, this is a like as a star. Okay. So, this is a most popular topology to create a network. In this topology, nodes are attached with a centrally located device known as a hub or a switch. In star topology, each computer has a distinct connection to the hub, so it is easy to maintain. Next, ring topology. In a ring topology, all computers are connected via a cable that loop in a ring or circle. A ring topology is a circle that has no start and no end terminator are not necessary in a ring topology. Signal travel in a one direction on a ring while they are passes from one computer to the next. Here is the structure of ring topology. All the computers are connected in a ring or circle form. In a ring topology, all computers are connected in a closed loop. This topology work on a token based system and token travel in the loop. Okay. So it is used in a network having no central site computer system. Okay. And it is a reliable topology because this network communication is not depend on the central computer. It is a form of a circle. Okay. Next is mesh topology. Each device in mesh topology has dedicated point-to-point link to every other device. The mesh topology connect each computer on the network to other. Mesh topology is costly because of extra cable needed and it is very complex and difficult to manage. This is a structure of mesh topology. In the diagram, each and every computers are connected to with each other. Okay, computer 1 are connected to remaining 4 computers and so on. So, this is a point-to-point link to every other devices. Next, tree topology. A tree topology is variation of star topology. In tree topology, not every device plug to the central hub. A tree topology can also combine characteristics of linear bus and star topology. This is a structure of tree topology. In a tree topology, all the computers are connected with each other in hierarchical fashion. Okay, so each segment is provided point-to-point linking with a central hub, and damage in one segment will not affect others because it is a separately connected to a central hub. Okay, so it is a tree topology. Next is a wireless network. Wireless network refers to any type of computer network that is not connected by cable of any kind. Wireless network is a network set up by using radio signal frequency to communicate among computers and other network devices. Here is the structure of wireless network. Okay, so all the computers or the devices are connected to other devices using a wireless network. Wireless, it means no use of wire. So internet, we can access internet without cable. Okay, so using a radio signal frequency, we have communicate among all the computers and other network devices. So it is an important part of a network. Today we saw the different network topologies. Thank you.